Hello everyone. Today we will start with rational numbers. The first chapter in class 8 maths. But before starting rational number, we will have few terminologies. So let's have a look up for these terminologies. You know very well we had already done linear equations in one variables, है ना? So on the basis of that only, if I have a linear equation and when I solve that equation, I will get the value 11. It is what? A number. 11 is a number. But the numbers which are greater than or 1 or equals to 1 or greater than 1, they all are termed to be natural numbers. And if I will take one more equation like this and consider it like this to find out the value. So 0 is again a number. But what type of a number it is? Whole number. We had already studied all these basic concepts in our 6th standard. In our previous classes, not only in 6th standard. So what was there? Those numbers which started from 0, they are considered to be whole number. So let's have a quick look what we had studied. We had studied natural number and whole numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by N. Whole numbers are denoted by W. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, tick, 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 and whole number starts from 0 till tick, tick, tick. That is till infinity. ठीक है? Just a little bit freshman. हाँ, मैम टिक 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 कर रही है, बस आपको फ्रेश फील करवा रही है और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, सो आप बोर ना हो. अब एक और इक्वेशन हम ले लेते हैं. सपोज आई हैव एन इक्वेशन x + 18 = 5. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू? देखो अब इतना इक्वेशंस के क्वेश्चंस किए दो दैट यू मस्ट बी सो मच एक्यूरेट दैट यू कैन सॉल्व ऑल दिस लीनियर इक्वेशन orally, mentally. Have you seen the movie that Super 30? In that physics के questions भी वो हवा में कर रहे होते हैं. Why? Because they have that much practice उनको दी जाती है. In the same manner you can do. And आपको question देख के ही answer, question देख के ये आ जाना चाहिए. You can easily find out the answer by seeing question within a second. ठीक है? So देखो value कितना आया हमारा x का? -13. So what is -13? Again a number, but which type of a number it is? So if numbers are positive and negative, then they are considered to be integers. ठीक है, उनको हम क्या कंसिडर करते हैं? Integers. So our integers tuck 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 starts like this. Positive and negative both along with 0. These all are the part of integers. ठीक है, so you must be aware of these things. Now last but not the least, if I have a number 2x = 7. One more I will take 5x + 6 = 0. ठीक है, so my value will be x = 7/2 and here x = ये +6 है, then it will go there, transposing 6 there, it will become -6 and then 5. So what will be my value? एक बार मेरा -6/5 आया, एक बार मेरा 7/2 आया. I had both type of numbers are there, positive भी और negative भी. But what do we call these types of numbers? जहाँ पे we will see that there is one part, like we have like this number. So the upper part is termed to be the numerator and the lower part is termed to be the denominator. Fine. Upper and lower part consider कर दिया हमने. Now अब आते हैं इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ पे. ठीक है, किन की? रैशनल नंबर्स की. Properties. So properties कैसे? Let us start with whole numbers. What does whole numbers hold. So we will have one closure property. Okay, these are I am referring NCERT textbook only. So after having this video, please go through that PDF which I am going to send in your WhatsApp about regarding this chapter. So if I will consider closure property in whole numbers, so let us have a visit for all the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in case like this, चलो एक अच्छा टेबल बना लेती हूँ ना मैं, एक और बना देते हैं लाइक दिस. ठीक है. सो नाउ इफ आई विल कंसिडर अ नंबर, अ होल नंबर. ठीक है. when two whole numbers are added, what we will get? A whole number only. So it whole numbers are closed under addition. It satisfied that remarks, है ना. If I have one number 5 and the other is 7, we will have -2. Is it whole number? No, it is integer. So if it is integer, then whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Fine. Then we will have multiplication. If I will multiply 0 with 4, I will get 4 or 0. We will get 0 only. ठीक है. So again a whole number, that means whole numbers are closed under multiplication. The last but not the least is division. ठीक है. अब यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं यू विल गेट द वैल्यू इन दिस फॉर्म. देखो डिवीजन हम इसको 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 भी ले सकते थे. देन वी विल हैव सिंपली अ सिंपल आंसर. इफ आई विल यूज़ 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, देन इट विल बी 8 की टेबल में जो भी आता है. सो मोस्टली आई विल गेट द आंसर इज 4. इफ आई विल